Hey. Right, that was so epically weird. Epic. What? I don't know what I'm saying. And you probably wonder why I just did this. I just finished some papers. I love you. They're all done. Oh, let's pick that up. Right, so basically today I'm doing my first video with my sister, but anyway, today I'm going to be showing you hot cross buns on the guitar. Not how to do it, I just want to show you that I can do it. Basically this is also known as Three Blind Mice. I don't really want to sing on camera, but I think it goes better with the words. But I'm not a good singer, I'm crap at singing, so please excuse that. Whoa, my hair. Oh my god, how long is that growing? There's a line. Oh. Okay, right, anyway. I haven't done any treatment to it apart from wash it now. Okay. Right, I'm really scared to share my voice over the internet because, like I said, it's just crap. Anyway, let's go. If you think it's good, comment down below. I don't think you will, though. Anyway, goodbye. Oh! Goodbye! Sorry! And then let's go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. Oh my god. And I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm not gonna chat because it takes ages to upload, even a 1 minute video. Anyway, goodbye you guys. Have a nice day. I shall see you later.